Hey there viewers, just because you have got a driver's license does not mean that you should forget about biking. Sure, there are scenarios where having a car can come in handy, but for everything else, cycling's the way to go after all. There are health benefits of riding a bike that driving a car could never live up to. As endless as the roads your bikes will head down, cycling health benefits trump those of nearly every other sport. Not only is cycling great at boosting both your physical and mental health, it's also one of the cheapest, most accessible and easiest way to let off steam and engage in endless hours of the most traded commodity fun. So what are these health benefits that we are talking about? Well, keep watching today's video to find out. From enhanced muscles, increased flexibility, longer life, boosted confidence to improved mood, we are talking all that and more. Number 1. Improves mood. The runner's high is not just for runners. Any form of exercise can help you feel great afterwards, including cycle activities that get your heart pounding will release energy boosting hormones called dopamine. After a nice bike ride, that dopamine rush can help improve your mood and energy levels. If you typically feel an afternoon slump at work, going for a quick ride outside your lunch break may be exactly what you need to stay energized and focused. Already thinking of things that spoil your mood? What are they? Let us know below in the comment section. Number 2. Weight loss. Without extreme diet, cycling is one of the best methods of exercise to trim fat and lose weight across your whole body. There's a reason that pro bike riders are so damn lean. Just an hour of cycling can burn as many as 1000 calories. Depending on the intensity you are riding at, refueling has also never been more fun with the number of calories lost on your ride. You'll need a few post-ride guilt-free indulgences to get your calories and energy levels straight back up. In fact, an hour or more paddling will put your metabolism into overdrive. You'll be burning calories faster than you can cram them back in. You also don't need a heavy structured workout to start shifting. That weight spin classes are great, but opting for a bike instead of your car on the way to work will do so much more for your overall fitness and your weight loss. Commuting by bike, in fact, has been proven to be one of the most effective ways to lose weight. A study found that people who switched to cycling from driving on average lost 7 kilograms over the course of the year when riding just 30 minutes each way. Number 3. Improves heart health. Getting your heart rate up, cycling strengthens your heart muscles. It also reduces your risk of developing several cardiovascular diseases, including stroke, high blood pressure, and heart attack. Moreover, compared to those who lead a sedentary lifestyle, those who participate in physical activity such as biking can experience an overall improvement in cardiovascular function too. And while we don't recommend ditching your blood pressure meds just yet, there's a reason to believe that including cycling into your daily routine might have a positive impact on your blood pressure. It can almost be as effective as prescription medication. Number 4. Releases anxiety and stress. Another important mental health benefit of cycling is relief from anxiety and stress. Cycling helps you balance cortisol and adrenaline levels in the body. When the perfect balance between these two is attained, stress is reduced. This perhaps is one of the healthiest ways to deal with stress. This calming effect allows your brain to focus on breathing and paddling. These two become the prime focus, and this in turn shifts your focus from all sorts of negativity and anxiety. Number 5. Slows aging. Researchers found that high-intensity cycling and other high-intensity interval training can have major anti-aging benefits down to a cellular level. The study found that people who did high-intensity exercise had an increase in mitochondrial capacity. A decline in mitochondria can lead to physical decline. So the better your mitochondria can function, the more rejuvenated you'll be all the way down to a cellular level. Number 6. Enhances muscles. While you may accept that cycling just builds up leg muscles, it's a complete body exercise. Remaining balanced and upstanding on a bicycle reinforces and tones the muscle in your stomach region. For instance, guiding the bike also encourages you to develop the muscle in your arms and shoulders. Don't disregard the leg muscles. Beside leg muscle assume a crucial job with regards to cycling. When cycling, you use your butt muscles and your glutes, your lower leg muscles and your quads and thighs. When pushing down on the pedals of the bicycle, when you are in the backstroke or upstroke, some portion of accelerating, you will utilize flexor muscle in your hip and your hamstring in your thigh rear. Number 7. Increases flexibility. Flexibility is one of the most important aspects of staying fit and minimizing the risk of injury. If you feel your lower body remains stiff, then cycling is the best option for you. From losing quadriceps to hamstrings and calves, cycling helps maintain flexibility. Not only will being flexible make you feel light, but it will also improve your posture and your balance. Number 8. Boosts your confidence. You may find this absurd, but cycling really does boost your self-confidence. While cycling, your body releases the serotonin mood transmitter. This helps you stay stable and confident both physically and emotionally. Cycling also induces positivity, self-esteem and self-confidence. Besides this, it allows you to get a perfectly shaped body, which is also an important self-confidence booster. Number 9. It's easy on your joints. When you sit on your bike, you put the weight on bones in your pelvis. Unlike walking or running, where you put the weight on your legs, knees and feet, even elderly patients with knee pain and osteoarthritis have been shown to improve their condition with cycling. It's gentle on the body but still packs a punch. In addition, it also improves posture and coordination. Number 10. Betters balance and coordination. Cycling also improves your balance and coordination. These qualities help with aspects such as body awareness and reaction time. They help prevent falls that could occur as well, which could lead to a worse injury down the road. Number 11. Reduces back pain. Posture when cycling is optimum and cyclic movement of the leg stimulates muscles in the lower back. This is where slipped discs are mostly likely to occur. In this way, your spine is strengthened and secured against external stresses. In particular, cycling can stimulate the small muscles of the spine, which are difficult to effect through other exercises. This can help reduce the likelihood of back pains and other spinal problems. How often do you cycle? Is it part of your go-to cardio routine? Let us know in the comment section below. Enjoy this video, hit like, share and subscribe to Everyday Care. Wait, what kind of everyday care would we be if we don't tell you about our other awesome videos? Go ahead, choose the left or right video and enjoy.